G'day guys, Matty from Fourbie Sessions Australia. Heading out for a bit of an arvo sleigh with my good mate Jack. Gonna throw the pots in, just hope for the best, see how we go. So come along for a ride and see what happens. Pot holders in the back of work. Fourbie Sessions Australia on Instagram or Facebook. Grab your lucky bucket hat. We're about to show you how lucky they are. I was just going to friggin' drag the tinny over to this island. Best thing about it, Muzz, she's just she's very versatile.
Yeah, we're here.
Loving these boat shoes. 19 bucks. Yeah. 19 bucks, you can't go wrong with that. In that? Yeah. Mullet around here.
Yeah, that's going to be a good spot for the
We'll
put the trap back in.
Put the live bait trap in, see what happens. Never fished with liveys before. This is pretty exciting actually. Yeah, we got a tweak out of this one. Sure will. Where'd you go?
I went up that way. So yeah, if you go straight.
Oh yeah, I see it. What? Tell you what, if we catch a fish today, we're going to break the drought of the boat.
Are we?
Yeah.
We're in a drought, are
so
we?
no pressure, but make it happen for me, Jack.
We'll do our best. Now you'll get bites again.
Whoa.
I need to change.
Yeah, I got a couple in there.
Where are they?
Oh, we could be on here. Nah.
Are they? No, you got something there?
Yeah, not big, but
Little.
it's not fighting. Oh, maybe. Where's the net? It's in the front of the boat. It's coming up. It's coming up fast. What have we got? We got a bream.
We got a bream in the tree.
We got a bream in the tree. It's not a bad sized bream.
It's not too bad. It's almost there, isn't it?
Yeah. We nearly got there.
Well, first fish of the day. That's pretty good, like.
It's a little bit confused. He's out there. Liveys aren't really liveys anymore. Nice one. Okay. Peel and line. Swimming in. It's coming in. Oh, he might have spat it. Nah. Yeah. Oh no. Quick, where's the net? Quick. Woohoo. Ah, it's a bream. It's not a bad one.
That's a nice one. That's a ripping bream.
How good is that? Finally.
That's awesome.
Oh, it spat the hook as soon as it went in. How lucky is that? Because I think, what a bream got about? I think they're like 27 or 27, 20. Where's a bream on this thing? Yellow belly bream. 20 centimetres and 25.
25 centimetres.
Don't you stab me. Okay, sorry. Oh, he's over. Hell yeah. Nearly 30. Crack the ice out, baby.
Yeah.
We got our first fish. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. No pressure, Jack, but you're the fish. You're the fisherman, mate. And I'm
Got anything.
Okay, you ready? Let's go for it. Big arc. Get up on the plane. Good, eh? Here we go, people. So, 2 minutes ago, caught another great bream. My old mate Jack here grabbed in the net for me and thought it'd be a great idea to try and just flip it straight from the net to the bucket, miss the bucket, and bye-bye brimmy. So we're back out here fishing now.
Stop your belly aching and get another fish.
I reckon yeah, really did.
Something's on there now.
You got there something there.
Small though. Taylor maybe.
I'm going to wheel mine in.
Buddy.
Oh! Grabbed a rod. Grabbed a net. Oh, you can't. He's finally caught a fish. And he pulls out a flathead. Oh, don't let him jump out the side. Don't lose another fish on us.
Need a bigger boat.
Don't blame the Muzz, mate. Awesome.
That's not bad.
I reckon that's probably is a gallon.
It's about 40 centimetres.
Yeah. Nice one. 40. Hey.
It's a keeper.
Definitely, yeah.
You gonna rip it? Yeah, that's better.
That's in. As long as we don't put a hole in the boat. So it's the next day. I'm going to make some fish wraps. Jack was feeling pretty bad, so let my bream go. So he's giving me the flathead. So I'm no expert, but I'm going to cut out these bones because I've caught a few flathead before. Bream's pretty much right to go. I might skin it. We'll see how we go, and then going to chuck it on the barbie. So. Special sauce, as Brady would say. Cheese. Some leftover stuff from the tacos. Nothing beats fresh fish. There you have it, guys. Another little episode out with the Muzz. Absolutely love that boat. If you want to check them out, Bluefin Boats, they're the guys that sell them. Obviously get hit up a fair bit about it. It's perfect little size, just going out for a little trip. It's not a big boat, so don't expect it's going to do what big boats do. But for me, just heading out by myself or with a mate is working perfectly. Anyway guys, I'll bring you a new video, more I keep doing. Have a good one.